Hi everybody, this is Amit Kumar and I welcome to Power BI tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to give you a detailed understanding of how we can perform a detailed analysis by using Power BI drill through. So drill through is an amazing feature through which we can navigate from one page to another page and filter the respective data in the targeted page. So let's see. I should have three pages, and from one label, if I click on a particular object, that based on the selection of that object or based on the dimension of the of that object, I should be getting data filtered in my destination sheet. One is source sheet and another is destination. In source, we have multiple charts, say division wise, you know, customers or division wise revenue. When I click division in the next label, I will be able to see in the destination page division wise country and their status. So division is North America. In the next page, I will be only able to see North America division and their respective uh, you know countries. Then if I'll click on the country, particular country from that particular division, then I should be able to go to another page with the cities of that country and then the data will be showing. So this concept is called as a drill through concept. You know, no. All right. So let me just make a replica of this sheet and create two more sheets. See, bar chart. Division wise cells. Cells is the number of orders for me. Customer. Okay, before this, I will just add one city in this label. Okay, city wise customer. And city belongs to multiple countries. And then inside city, here I don't want the list of the customers here. Here only city, order date, order ID, product, and all these things will be there. Then at the next level, I should be having customer, then customer address, and the other details. So here, this report I'm able to see majorly by customer. Okay, customer and the rest of the attributes mostly same. Here, majorly I'm able to see by cities. Okay, one more chart I have to create is so this one. And here I have to start country to location. And then order ID is a count of order ID, which will give me the sales here at the country and division level. Lat long is not needed if automatically it could not identify the country names, then latitude and longitude may be needed. And legend by country. Size, because the bubbles are same bubbles are there, but how these bubbles will be differentiated is based on the size, right? So I can see in US or this country, UK probably, Ireland, maximum total counts are there. So I've got three labels. First label. Now here I have to apply the drill through. How the drill through can be done? I want from country selections, it should show me the list of cities belongs to that country. Anyway, here also I will add country so that I can know that this country has been selected. Okay. Whenever I have this city, here also I will add a city so that I should know what city has been selected. Here is an option called drill through here in this chart. Add drill through field here. So what I want, it should be drill through by city. Correct. So I'll just add city to here in this drill through. Now same way in the page label, page 2, I will add country. So in the drill through option, you have to switch on the cross report. Cross report means navigations we are doing from page to page, but cross report navigation means on selection of this, it should filter the data or drill the data in the across reports. In drill down,
In a single report, I was able to go inside. So that is basically inside one report only. But the cross report means multiple reports. We will have this filtration and page navigation. So let us just start from this. I will just try to see this one. See, when I have added this option earlier, this right click to drill through, this option was not available because we have applied the cross reports and drill through option I have added. So this is enabled now in this page. So it's prompting right click to drill through. Right click, drill through what? P2, right? Now the question is coming up. Why P2 is showing over here? Why not P3? Answer is in P2, the dimension which we have used in P1, the same dimension has been added in the drill through of P2. Okay, and in the P2 we do have country and cities, correct? So city is the dimension. So whatever the dimension we have used in the particular city, that is being defined in the drill through of P3. So let's click on this. What country we have selected? USA. So this is how the drill through work. Now in USA, I do have a lot of countries and a lot of customers. So okay, San Francisco, say I will select, then I right click on this, drill through. Why it is getting only P3? The dimension which we have used and which I have selected is city. And there's one drill through is added, one dimension city is added as a drill through of P3. So I will go to the P3 and will be able to see the San Francisco. So this particular uh, customer is getting selected over here because I've selected one record that chart. So I hope you would have liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Stay connected. Bye bye.